Hi everyone, I am Simply Tamanisha and welcome back to my channel. Today we did a Kroger Krazy Kart haul and this is what I bought. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification button. And for all of my friends, if this video has helped you, please click the like button so that we can share this information with all of our friends and family on YouTube. Okay, so today my grocery bill was $247. I paid $143 out of pocket for the items that you see here on the table using coupons and Kroger sale. So right now in the app, real butter is on sale for $1.99. You can use it up to 5 times. I only bought 4 because I already have these in abundance. The lunch meat is $2.49 a package, and I bought 3 because we don't eat a lot of lunch meat, but it can go in the deep freezer, and you know, I can make sandwiches and crackers and stuff like that. In the app, I had 2 coupons. I had a bonus coupon and another coupon to buy one get one free on the Glade candles. Plus, there was a coupon, bonus coupon, I think, for $2 off. So that was an e-coupon. These are on sale 10 for 10, which means they're $1 a piece, and I had 2 coupons to buy one get one free. They have Lysol in stock. They didn't have limits, but I limited myself to purchasing only 2 to make sure that my neighborhood friends had what they needed, and they're on sale for $3.99. I do have frozen cheese in the deep freezer, but I changed my mind about what I'm cooking for dinner tonight, so I didn't want to wait for it to thaw out. But I had a coupon for 88 cents off of 2, so that means I paid $1.88 for one bag and $1 for the other. These Snicker bars, I'm allergic to peanuts, so they come in almonds now, which is great for me, so I grabbed some of those. And then on my bar, I usually have treats for when I have guests or family, whatever. So I grabbed some of those. These were on sale. I think they were $1.49, I believe. Some of them have peanuts in it, so I won't eat them, but I do like to share. These are good. I feel like they could be better. They could be better. You taste a little bit of the cotton candy flavor, but I feel like they need to work a little bit harder on it. They had, this is on sale for $1.99, buy 5 and you can mix. This is on sale for $2.49, and I had a special coupon from Kroger that took $1 off, so I paid $1.49. I had coupons on my Kroger app for Lipton tea, and it was on sale. I grabbed some bags that I'm going to give to my daughter. And these were on clearance, so I grabbed those because I've had a lifetime, where is it? Wart. It just doesn't go away, I guess. So, see it? Maybe that'll take it off. I don't know. And these are on sale for $6.99. I do have to tell you that a couple of years ago, before I even had a Swiffer wet jet, Kroger had Swiffer products on sale for $1.49 or something strange like that. I mean, they had the wet ones, the dry ones, the regular Swiffer. They had all of that, and I just bought a bunch of them because I knew it was too good of a deal to pass. I've been waiting for it to come back, and it has not. These are on sale for $2.29 each, mix of 5 products. So I got 2 of these because I had a buy one get one free coupon, and I had some $2 off manufacturer's coupons. So I actually had 2 bonus coupons in my app, so I ended up keeping mine, and I paid probably 60 cents out of pocket for them. It would have been less maybe, but that's not a bad deal, 30 cents per bottle. I'm gonna try this. I'll let you know if I like it. I don't know about cooking with it, but maybe just so that I can consume daily, and it's got a protein in it. So we'll see. And then I'm gonna be cooking a shredded tacos today, so I grabbed me a chuck roast. I don't really buy Butterball or Eckrich sausages, but Butterball makes great turkey. This was turkey sausage, and I had a special coupon in my Kroger app, so I grabbed it. I had a coupon for Skinny Pops, so I grabbed some of that. But check this out. I tried this for the first time last Thanksgiving, and I felt like I was too scared and didn't give the turkey enough of the injection. And so they were on clearance for $1.59, but let me see if I can show you the expiry date. I got a couple of years on it, right? 2023. So I can practice with it on Sunday dinner or something like that. I don't know. Okay, and then also in my app, I had 20% off housewares. And this was already on sale for $14.99. And I got an additional 20% off the $14.99. I had one of these years ago. I don't know quite where it is. It's probably in a storage somewhere. So I grabbed one of these because, hey, the next time the lights go out, my mini grill is set up, and I've got this burner that I can run with an extension cord or a power base and keep it moving. So I was really happy about that. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. I will attach the receipt when I find it. I'm not sure where it is. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.